Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have 100 positive quotes pictures. These files are Adobe Illustrator, AI and EPS. So first I drag this file on Adobe Illustrator CC 2018. Wow, you can see here the positive quotes: make time, love my mom, I love music, best mom, and many more quotes. And I know you can change color, you can make more better. For example, extract layers, and you see here many you see here 100 quotes. So hide it, you see there these files. So here is, and then extract this, and you see one by one. For example, I zoom it, so you see make, and you can create you can select new color. For example, you set a red color and see, amazing, easy. And then you click here, pink, okay, take it easy. And here first you select group, and then you can edit it. For example, otherwise you select any click on anywhere, and then you can change color, and you can see just change background color. So first you need or you find group, and when you can edit. For example, this, extract this, and then extract quotes one by one. You can change it. For example, these files, click here, and then click color, yellow, and you see simply, you can change one by one, and select your own choice color. These files are in RGB, and you can change background, you can make more better. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe my channel. Take care. Love.